Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe Luca, and today we are talking about something that should never be overlooked when buying a home. So let's dive in. Now, typically, when thinking about buying a home, buyers wonder what actually happens during a home inspection. In this video, we're going to break down what a home inspection is, what inspectors look for, and how you can use the report to make smarter decisions as a home buyer. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or it's been a while since your last purchase, understanding home inspections can save you stress, money, and surprises down the road. So first, what is a home inspection? A home inspection is a professional, visual evaluation of a property's condition, inside and out, done by a licensed or certified home inspector. It usually happens after your offer is accepted, but before you finalize the purchase. Sometimes sellers actually have a home inspection done on their home before they list it, so they can address these ahead of time or as a service to prospective home buyers. Now, the home inspector typically looks for current issues and potential problems with the structure, major systems, and the safety of the home, then gives you a written home inspection report that you can use to decide whether to move forward, negotiate, or walk away. Segment 2, what do home inspectors look at? A standard home inspection checklist covers both the interior and the exterior of the home, plus the major systems. On the outside, inspectors typically check the roof, siding, foundation, windows, grading, doors, and drainage. Anything that could cause water damage, structural issues, or pest problems. Inside, they're going to look at the walls, the ceilings, floors, stairs, doors, and windows, along with key systems like the electrical, plumbing, and HVAC, your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. They often also look at the attic, the basement or crawl space, and any major appliances that are included in the sale. Now, sometimes there will be a separate boiler inspector if you have a boiler that heats up the water for baseboard heating, or if it's a furnace and it's forced hot air. Also, appliances, a home inspector is not certified to inspect appliances. So it's generally, yes, it works, no, it doesn't. Section 3, what a home inspection is not. Pay attention. It is important to know that a home inspection is not a code inspection. It's not a guarantee, and technically, it's not exhaustive. Inspectors don't open up walls. They don't move heavy furniture. They focus on what's visible and accessible at the time of the inspection. Specialized inspections like radon, septic, chimney, sewer scope, mold, or pest inspections are usually separate add-ons, so talk to your agent about whether those make sense for the property that you're buying. Section 4, how buyers should prepare and what to do during the inspection. Now listen, if at all possible, attend the home inspection. It's one of the best chances you'll have to walk through the home with an expert and ask questions. Come prepared with a list of concerns if you have any. If you've noticed spots that look like moisture or systems you don't understand, let the inspector do their job, but don't be afraid to ask for explanations in plain English. This turns the inspection into what I call a homeowner education session, not just a report, because it can tell you things you will need to pay attention to as a homeowner and tell you do's and don'ts, because these things could cost you a lot of money if you make mistakes. Section 5, using the home inspection report. After the home inspection, my home inspectors provide it within 24 hours. You'll receive a home inspection report with photos and notes. Not every item on there that's flagged is an emergency. Many are just maintenance items or minor repairs, things that can be addressed over time. Pay attention if the property is being marketed as is, that's usually code for the seller does not have the money or the means to make repairs. Now, with your real estate agent, you'll decide how to respond, whether you might negotiate repairs, ask for a credit, or request a price reduction, or in some cases, just exercise your right to walk away if it's something you don't want to deal with. Now, hopefully this helped you understand how home inspections work and what to expect as a home buyer. If so, please hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone getting ready to buy a home. If you would like a copy of my custom home inspection checklist, please email me at joe@joelucarealtor.com. That's JOE@JOELUCAREALTOR.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you the next time. Bye-bye.